Hello everyone, this is Dimensions8 and welcome back to Wasteland 2. Alright, so we got a couple more things to do and we will be set. Actually, aren't they working on the lab here?
Good, you're back. I've got the cure. At least I know what we need. It was easy once I figured out the pods were mutated fungal spores. All we need is a fungicide, and fortunately, there's a bunch of the stuff in the mushroom caves in the basement. Bring me some, and I can make a serum that'll cure Matt and any of you who are infected.
Okay.
Please, go, quickly.
Absolutely, I don't want Matt to die. Oh wait, that's not where we want to go. Wait, is that where we want to go? Is this way to the basement? Is this where we want to go? Yeah, this is the way we want to go. Okay, teeth. Gonna fire. Alright. And we'll just keep on moving and make sure everything's gonna be okay. And wait. No traps? Nope, no traps. Except this.
Ranger Citadel. Come in, Scorpion HQ. This is Bergen again, calling from High Pool. We are still under attack. These damn wreckers are blowing us to pieces. Send help, anyone. High Pool, this is Ranger Citadel. Our
Sorry.
team is already in.
We have to go. We can't help you. We're dealing with some plants right now that are killer. This feels strange that both these events are happening at the same time, though.
Great. Okay,
So
now listen. The computer is basically fried. Unless you're secret genius hackers, its functions are going to be pretty limited for now. It'll only be able to open one airlock at a time.
Okay. Airlock west. And that doesn't look toxic. That's perfect. Wait, that's toxic. Gotta use that. Okay, airlock south. Let's try that one. That one should be good. Yeah, I don't see any toxins there. Nope, looks clean to me. And I see fungi.
That's where Dr. Larson did all his fungal research. I'm
And where's D? There you are.
But none of it looks human.
Alright. Never liked mushrooms, and making it bigger hasn't helped. I know that feel, man. I know that feel. Alright. And is there anything else we need to do? I feel that we got all the necessary fungal pods. Can you fire? Bear. I know you can fire. No? Sight blocked? Okay. The encounter begins. Put you here. We'll just end their turn there. We can move you here. What's your percentage here? Really? Why is it so low? Okay, you have no ammo. So, that's all you can do. And attacking. Do you attack Gray? And attack Bear. These superflies are awful. Okay. Now it's up to Bear. Bear has to... You got to move up here and fire. How much AP does this count? Yeah, you got... It's your turn, unfortunately. Barbed wire bat. I'm so glad you didn't miss. Oh, lost control. Well, I'm not too salty about that. That's exactly what we needed. My god, they can walk a long way. That seems really unfair. Okay, as long as you stay next to the other one, we'll be fine. Yeah, exactly what we needed. Alright, Bear. You got a 61% chance to fire that one. And you'll have ammo, so you can just run back, I guess. You can't do anything. End your turn. Ouch! Okay. Fire. Fire. Nope. And run back. And then this is... Oh, this is Bear, so we got one shot here. And we got a shot here. Alright, and turn. I gotta run. I don't have... they're just not my type of enemies, I'm afraid. Yep. We'd end your turn there. Okay. And this is gray, so let's swap weapons. We just to reload. Now we can fire. Alright, people got a lot of experience out of that. That was good. Okay, some people really need health. Okay, pills. You gotta heal, that poison? Who is this? This is gray, isn't it? Yeah, it's gray. Okay, you gotta heal some people. You gotta heal her. Yep. Can't have Rose die. You gotta heal Bear. Bear is really hurting right now. It's a good thing we have pills. I'm glad that I chose pills. I just thought it was a good idea to have a medic. Because this could have been pretty bad without pills. Alright, and... and pills, I think, you give yourself pills. You got an addiction. Alright. Everyone, let's pick up the gear that we have. We got a curious pod. It goes to me. Fly. Infected pus sac. Fly wings. Alright, that was okay. Rose, since I don't know what type of ammo you use, go here. Okay. This is pretty okay. This is pretty okay. Ooh, I can actually dig up something here. Let's go use me. I got a lot of health. That's what I realized here. Yeah, we got to dig up something here. That's nice. That doesn't always happen. Got scrap. 12 gauge ammo, definitely. 5.56. That has to go to Bear. Bear's been just too money. Okay, Gray. We gotta change your loadout. Yeah, this is not gonna work. You have to get your shotgun back, I'm afraid. Everyone reload if you can. Everyone's weapons are reloaded. Okay, Rose. Come up here. Gonna fire. Any more fungal? There's a couple more pods here. We don't need that. Oh, did someone level up?
Copy, Echo 1. This is Ranger. Echo 1, your team's recent progress merits a number of field promotions.
Okay.
Congratulations, Echo 1. You've done well.
Thank you. So who's got to level up? So, attributes, skills. I got skill points to use. Is there something I could do that would be really useful? Mechanical repair. If you need to repair small appliance engines or gizmos. Safe cracking. You know, I want to do put me some safe cracking. Pills. I'm gonna put some submachine gun stuff in there for you. I just feel like we need to get you better. You. Some sniper rifle stuff. I want you to be pretty good at sniper rifles. What's some good stuff we can give you? Don't know what those are. Computer science. That would be nice, wouldn't it? I would like... I'll put another smart ass point. Yeah, that feels good. I think we did a good job. Is there someone that we're forgetting? Okay, now. I just want to blow up all of these. Because I feel that we don't need to get more people infected with pod poison. Or pod whatever that stuff is. Lucky crit. Oh, I like luck. Okay. And I think we need to go over here. Ooh, wait, there's some crates over here. We're coming over here first. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely want some of this crate stuff. Oh no, we accidentally blew up. Okay, everyone, you're going over here. I like having 6 people. I really do. Alright, and let's pick this up. What do we get? We got glass shards and junk. Use perception. Reinforcements relief. With a lock on a swinging door. Can't unlock it. No trap. Ah! Well, if we ever do find a sniper rifle, grab it. Wait! Didn't I buy Bear a weapon? That it wasn't the M4. Oh, I did! I'm stupid, sorry. I'm sorry, people. I did buy Bear a weapon. The FAMAS. Oh god, the plants. You know, I can feel them move. They'll cut me apart if I move. Pain inside me, they're inside me, they're growing inside of me. Believe me, I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. You're a lost cause, man. I want to open this safe so badly. Unfortunately, none of us. Where something was once buried. Okay. Alright, Rose. They're just gonna be... because you don't actually use any ammo. At least ammo I give a shit about. Okay. I do love this rose thorn though. That has to be a unique weapon. This is... oh my god. I remember when games used to be like this. This was awesome. Wonder why they ever stopped. It's just one of those things, I think. Ooh, I'm glad this is coming back. I'm glad they made this game. Oh crap. Okay, they're gonna get Rose a little bit here. That wasn't my play. Oh, they missed. Okay, pills. You do have a shot here, I believe. No friendly fire? Oh, no whammies there. No friendly fire there. This is Deeth, huh? Okay, is there... Yeah. Let's put that there. I feel good about that. You have... Ace's wrench. Come up here and you just swing that thing. Get the inner turn here. Don't attack pills. Ah. Got it. Barbed wire bat. I have to be up here really to use this. And I had my turn. You gotta do it. It's a mega. I'm really happy about that. Okay, that's a problem. That is a huge problem. We can't have that. We can't have that. Those pod people, man, they're frightening. Yeah, you can't have too many people too close. Get the turn there. Yeah. You just have to get out of there. Yep. Turn there. Thank you, pills. That's the best we got. Yeah, I'm sorry. This wasn't ideal, but that's the best we got. Poor Sergio. Infected brain, I'll take that. Maggot flesh. Is there any place else that we need to be? No? I think we got it all. Okay. I have the most health. I'll go and open this. Wait, examine. No trap? No trap. Oh, yes. That's exactly what we need to take all. Okay. Time to give this ammo to Bear. That's right. Is there any other ammo I can give her? I can give some energy cells to Gray. What the I don't even know what to do with this. I don't even have ammo for this. I don't know where you can find ammo for that. That just seems ridiculous. Okay. Oh, I get it. We're supposed to use these to blow it up. Okay, I get it. No? I thought we used... How are we supposed to get through? Ineffective. What would be effective to open this up? Unless we have to go through somewhere else. Did I miss a spot where we have to go? Doesn't seem like it. What are we supposed to do? I don't quite remember. I guess that's all. Oh, wait, everyone. Let's go. I think I see something. I wish there really is a timer before she becomes a pod person, and we need to fix that. How long do we have? We still got time. We gotta be fast though. We gotta be fast. Okay, Rose. I feel really sad that she got kind of cheated. I'm legitimately doing anything. Okay. Interesting. Examine. This woman's fingers are splintered a bit back. Looks like she was clawing at something. It looks like she took a shotgun blast in the face. Mr. Scripps is wearing a smiling phony ambulance labeled Ryan Herberson. Next to the body lies a strange weapon. This bizarre creature looks like a cross between an industrial spray and a flamethrower. It has the word herbicide scratched on the side of it. The herd is with fungicide. Okay, let's pick that up. Alright, we'll give that to... We'll give that to Deeth. She needs a weapon. Alright, Deeth. Where is some... There's a door there. Let me change this around and see. Examine, scratch. Looks like they were made. There's also blood. Well, let me have a look at it. This man, not Sergio. You ain't Sergio no more. Please, don't make me shoot you. Don't make me do this. Oh shit, Rangers, why did you come say you were? It never occurred. No miracle matches the state. What? I'm not so sure. I don't know about that. We're the Rangers. Always happy to see the Ranger crew around. Matt was a Ranger once. Did you know that? Hey Rangers, we're going to head out. Would you mind me coming with you? Talk about you. Maybe Shane Hyde when this work to be done. I know I might meet my son out there, but this should help me try to get moving and see what I can do to help us here. Can I follow you till we get out of the caves? Yes. Alright, what is that? Fungicide, do not ingest. Dented and ancient, these tongues look like they're less strep fruit. That's what she ordered. Oh yeah. Great, maybe there's treasure. Oh, that is treasure. Oh my god, that was treasure. That is beautiful treasure. Examine. .38 ammo. You're going there. Take all. That is absolutely treasure. Oh my god. Medical supplies is just treasure. It should be treated like treasure. Alright, we're gonna travel. I think we've completed the mission. We can get a little bit out here. Sorry. Huh. This thing. Thanks for leaving me out. I'll head upstairs, but I have no clue what I'm going to do about Marta and Sergio. Oh god. Alright. Yes. That's what I'm going to do. Rangers try their best, but sometimes there just isn't a happy ending to be found, no matter how hard you try. Oh. Please don't tell me. Am I going to come up here? It's not going to be anything good. Looks like it gets the windows. Okay. Please don't tell me Matt. No, Matt's still there.
So, have you found the fungicide yet?
Yes.
Thank God, you're just in time. Give it to me and wait right here.
Okay. Please tell me we're going to save Matt. I want to save Matt.
Matt, your case is very acute. I'm going to have to inject a high concentration dose directly into your veins. Shut up and give me your arm.
I can feel it work. It hurts, but it's better. Better. Thank you, Kathy. Thank you, recruits. I'm going to need more time on the sidelines, but I think I'm going to make it. Okay.
Thank you, Rangers. If you have a sec, I have one more request for you. You'll be especially interested if any of you caught the infection.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, Rangers. Matt would have died without you, not to mention the rest of us. But there's one last thing to be done. Get the cure into the fertilizer reservoir. Before you can do that, you'll need to finish shutting down the irrigation system. Come back here when you've done that.
Larson? Okay.
See you around, Rangers.
She seems to like me better. Of course, I did just save all of them with cure. Okay. So where is the reservoir tanks? Examine. Where can I find the reservoir tanks? Did you say where that was? Oh wait, call. Someone level up?
Copy, Echo 1. This is Ranger Command. Go ahead.
Let's check it in.
Echo 1, I believe a field promotion is in order for one of your... Congratulations, Echo 1. You've done well.
Will Rose join us now? Permanently? Let's look at her stuff. What does it use as ammo? Is she out of ammo? She is. Okay. Skills. She is a really awesome hacker. Anything else that's really awesome? Mechanical repair. Safe cracking. Mechanical repair. Alright. Put her some mechanical repair. If she's gonna stay, with us, that'll be nice to know. Basic trauma kit. That has to go to pills. And so does low dose. We need our medic to have all the supplies that she can have. That's just absolutely important. So I'm gonna assume that how do we get in there? How do we get into this area here? I kind of want to get in here, actually. As long as no one else gets infected. I want to get in there. Is it going to take forever? I hope not. How long do I have? I still got, I think, plenty of time before the pod infection goes too crazy. I definitely don't want anyone else to get sick, though. Oh, those red pods, man. Thankfully, we've killed most of them. Okay. Me. I am a safe cracker. Oh, okay. Please crack the safe. Ooh. Oh, what is that? Port 38. That thing looks awesome. Got some sniper rifle ammo. Gonna give that to Bear. I would love a sniper rifle. Mark II Sven. 6 to 7 damage per hit. 3 critical chance. 3% jam. That looks awesome. How does it compare to you? We got .38. You go there. And take all. That stuff is awesome. So now we can actually open up safes. I don't know how many we've missed by now, but probably a lot. Is there any more safes that we can crack? I'm checking. Let's see. Oh yeah. I would love if we could find like a free sniper rifle. Life would be complete. Is that a safe that we've already opened? I think it is. Better how convenient. Oh, that's funny. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, you know you want to open that. Oh yeah. Unethical as hell. I need loot, man. I don't care if it's unethical. Oh. Come on. I believe in you. You can do it. You can do it, man. Oh. Oh. If only they knew. If only the people we're stealing from knew how unbelievably necessary this is. Oh, 38 cal ammo. Oh, yeah. I'm getting there getting my ass shot. I need some of this stuff. Okay, we're definitely... You have a new weapon, Bear. A sniper rifle. And I feel very good about that. Alright, everyone. We have everyone loaded up, right? Everyone. Load. Everyone's out of ammo? Well, we gotta go take care of... Where was those pumps? I'm not quite sure. Do we have a map we can use? Logbook? Okay. Okay. The computer is borked and only one airlock at a time. Flagged. Ongoing. Resolved. Search the nearest stuff. No, that's not what you want. Well, we'll just try to find it. Yes, so the central basement. We need to find it. Oh. We gotta find it. We kinda have to find it. Okay. Let's use. Ooh, well, let's get a computer scientist here. Oh. All of those work at the same time. Okay, so we gotta run fast through it, huh? Thank you. That's awesome. So we got a super hacker.
Shit. Those fumes in the ventilation tunnels look toxic. You're either gonna have to run through there fast, or you're gonna have to get all the fans running. It might clear it out.
Okay. Oh man, that poison gas is just no longer poisoned. Okay. We're all going. Everyone's got to run. So basically... Okay, we gotta head back. Okay, I don't understand this part. So how are we going to get through this? Oh god, that poison is brutal. So we have to try to get to the ventilation. Alright. Well everyone, we gotta figure this out in the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.